Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add name on Subway Surfers. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to add name on Subway Surfers, go ahead and open the Subway Surfers application on your device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now here, if you tap on the settings button, then you will not see the option for changing your name anywhere. You will either get the name of the character that is playing or you will get some random names. However, the option for changing your name manually is not available anywhere, so the only way to get your name changed is you will have to connect Subway Surface to either your Game Center and change Subway Surfers' name to your Game Center name, or connect Subway Surfers to Facebook and get Facebook's name on Subway Surfers. So that's basically how you can add name on Subway Surfers. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.